You can install WordPress for free at wordpress.com, or you can install it in your web hosting provider. So if you have a hosting and you are paying for some space in the server, like me, I'm using Namecheap, but most of them look the same. You can install WordPress very easily in few steps. So let me guide you through them, and then in further tutorial, I'm going to show you the basics and guide you through the maintenance of a website with WordPress. So you log in your account with Namecheap or GoDaddy or SiteGround or whatever, and then you look for something to go in your cPanel. So me as just here, so I'm going to my cPanel. And then when you're in your cPanel, most of them look the same. You look for the WordPress icon. Here it is, okay? You click on them, and then you're gonna go install now. And then you're gonna check the version. So yeah, sure, check the last version. The URL, this is where it's gonna be installing WordPress. So if it's your main domain, if you want to make WordPress the main website, you don't type nothing in directory. But for you, because I'm gonna practice with you guys, I'm gonna just wrote practice here because I don't want to erase my website. And then all of that, you can customize it further on. So I don't know, here, and I'm gonna just type something. It's good for SEO that you write something meaningful in the site name, in the site description, but you can change it afterwards. And enable multi-site, I'm gonna check it because that allows me to have several websites on my WordPress account. But if you want to have just one website, you don't have to check it. Then type a password that you can remember, really, because it's very hard and tedious to retrieve your password if you forget it. So I'm gonna go with something totally random here to work with you guys on the screen. And then it have to hit strong. If it hit weak, it just won't let you install WordPress. So you gotta go with a combination of letters and digits. Language, I'm gonna go with English. All of that you can change afterwards, so you don't need to change anything. And all of that too, you can select the theme afterwards. So there's really nothing to change in there. So you install